Good afternoon and welcome to the Good Plates Kitchen. Today we're making Brussels sprouts with roasted garlic and balsamic vinegar. And here we are, our fresh Brussels sprouts. They're nice and small, so they'll be really nice and, well, as a Brussels sprout can get, as sweet as they can get, but they'll be very nice. They won't be bitter or sour. Okay, a little bit of salt, a whole clove of garlic, balsamic vinegar, and oil. Okay, and they're all nice and beautiful. There's the garlic. And we're going to put them onto this is a quarter sheet pan, not a half sheet pan. This is a quarter sheet pan, which is just big enough for them. And just stick them directly on there. And spread them out a little bit so that they're all spread out nicely. Okay, and we're going to cook them in the oven at about 325 degrees Fahrenheit, 163 C. Wow, look at those Brussels sprouts. Don't they look gorgeous when they're nicely roasted? Okay, now we're going to take these beautiful Brussels sprouts and we're going to put them in this pan. Okay, because we oiled them, they fall into the pan very easily. There we go. They're in there. Very nice, very nice. Oops, this little guy tried to escape. Okay, this is actually a potato masher. But guess what? It does a really good job because it's relatively flat. And we're just going to take these and smush them, especially the garlic, so the garlic gets smushed in there. Okay, very nice. Add some butter to this pan. Mush it a little bit. Let the butter melt. Taste. That is delicious. That is really good. And we're going to put a little bit of balsamic vinegar on there. Not very much. Not that much. Okay. Make sure everything is in there. There we go. Mix it together. And then we're going to heat this on the stove so everything gets nice and warm. And these are our lovely Brussels sprouts with roasted garlic. Thanks for joining me on The Good Plate. See you next time. And remember, always forward, always flavorful. Yum, yum!